So just making a quick video here. I'm going to be restoring this handlebar, and I removed it from the front forks already. And then you have to take off these fork caps. You could just use either a flat head or a razor. Pop these off, and then you have a hex bolt underneath them, and I'm gonna just take this bar off and sand it down. I bought some equipment for it, a quick strip disc as well as a crimped wire wheel to take off the rust and paint that's already on it. And then I bought a Rust-Oleum paint can to spray it down to finish it off. Give you a quick view of what it looks like when you clearly don't take care of this stuff as soon as you should. I bought this bike used, so this is the first time I'm actually taking it apart. Screws are starting to rust. The caps for the screws were actually much difficult to take off from the bolt itself, just because it was starting to rust in between the two metals. So here's my handlebar. I scuffed it up with a wire brush so that the paint can adhere to it easier. So now I'm going to be able to, I'm going to try to hang it with a wire and then spray paint it to make it look brand new again. So 4 coats have been put onto the handlebar, and it's starting to look much better, much cleaner, and looks really nice. Now they just look as good as new.